Hey, welcome back to another episode of Coffee with the Corvette. Today's going to be pretty exciting. A lot of work to get into this point. Have our motor in, the frame so far. Going to drop the transmission in. Then we're going to swing our body around and try to shoehorn it on. So it's going to be a pretty cool day. Once we're getting close to the end of mock-up here. And then we're just going to be going for some amazing finishes and just trying to set this thing apart from every other day. So here we are at the end of a long day. It's been pretty wild. We got the motor in, transmission in, we had to build a custom transmission now. Have all the room we need under our tunnel. Got the old assembly off the front, a whole new front assembly on. I mean, things are just starting to really fall in place here. From this point on, we build this car completely back to the way it's going to be when she hits the streets. And we take it all back apart to refinish it. But we're getting there now, so this beast wants to roar. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll try to keep giving you killer content.